folks, Steve Torborg here at the Oyster LIRR Museum. Got some exciting stuff going on here today. Thought we want to share you a little video. I'll walk over to here. This is locomotive number 35's cab, tilted on its front, where we've been doing a lot of work on the cab. And today, for the first time in well over a decade, black paint is being reapplied to the cab. All the steel work is done. Everything's been given at least 2 coats of primer, as well as the preservative extend. And now we have George Schlichter, Ronnie Schneff, and Adam Brower. We're all working on the cab, putting that first coat of gloss black paint on. Pretty exciting. Let's go check it out. Hey Ronnie,
what's up?
How you doing? Good?
All right.
Looking good, right? Pretty exciting?
Yeah, I'll have to say it's drying pretty quick.
Exciting times.
Oh yeah.
How we doing, George?
Very good, very good.
Proud to be putting that first coat on, huh?
Yep.
Outstanding. And come around to the back. Here's Adam. How you doing, Adam?
Doing all right.
Pretty exciting stuff, huh?
Oh yeah. Putting the first coat on.
Pretty cool, pretty cool. All glossy black. Good stuff, good stuff. We got some visitors in the yard today. They walk over here. Hey Gary, say hi to the people. What are you doing today?
I'm needle scaling the pilot on 35.
Pretty cool stuff. And what are these down here?
These are brackets that go on the side hanging underneath the walkways. You'll notice a couple of them have tabs on the top. Those are the ones that hold these tanks that I'm sitting on underneath the boiler, and they operate the brakes and the compressors and everything else. These hold all the air for them.
Pretty good. What do you think about the black paint going on the cab?
I love it. I can't wait to see it. As soon as I'm done needle scaling this, I'm going to get up and take a walk over, but it's high time that we got the cab ready to go back on the locomotive.
All right, we'll be back.
Thank you.